Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping. Wash all fruit and vegetables, remove cores and large seeds, and cut pieces to fit the chute. Once done, assemble the juicer parts and lock them in place so nothing wobbles during operation. Plug the machine in and choose a low speed to start. This avoids sudden clogs and lets you test flow. Make sure the juice container is positioned correctly and the pulp bin has room, then feed small amounts to confirm everything runs smoothly. You should feed ingredients steadily, alternating soft greens with firmer items so the machine clears pulp more effectively. Once you establish a rhythm, adjust the speed. Low for leafy greens to preserve enzymes, higher for carrots or beetroot to extract more juice. If the chute slows, stop and use the reverse or tap the housing to dislodge buildup. Then resume. Make sure to scrape excess pulp from the filter between batches. This means you finish by turning off and unplugging the unit, then disassembling parts in the manufacturer's sequence to avoid damage. Rinse components right away to prevent starch and sugars from drying. Soak the filter for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen trapped fibers and then scrub gently with a brush. Dry parts thoroughly before reassembly. If clogging happens often, make sure blades and screens are aligned, reduce chunk size, and alternate produce types. If problems persist, contact service for a deeper inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.